Say hello to the boAt 352 Pro, the portable Bluetooth speaker that promises big sound in a small package, all for just Rs 2000. But can it deliver the sound you will love? Let's try to find out. This is the retail box of boAt 352 Pro. It has key features printed on the back. Inside you get the speaker, some documentation, USB-C cable for charging, aux cable and a pin to reset the speaker. First of all, let's take a look at the design. The Stone 352 Pro features a cylindrical design that's both visually striking and practical. This shape offers a good balance between portability and sound projection. The speaker is wrapped in a high quality fabric mesh that feels premium. It has a dynamic LED light strip that looks good and adds a touch of party vibes. There are control buttons to manage music playback, volume and change the color of LED light. These buttons are well sized and offer a tactile feel. The speaker also has Type-C port for charging, a micro SD card slot and aux input. There is also a passive radiator at the top side. It vibrates alongside the internal woofer and helps to enhance the low-end frequencies for deeper bass. The IPX5 water resistance rating ensures it can handle water splashes and light rain. This makes it perfect for poolside parties, hiking and beach adventures. The speaker is portable and easily fits in the backpack. You also get pre-attached lanyard cable for even greater portability. The speaker promises 14-watt boAt signature sound and delivers rich audio with deep thumping bass. Considering its size, the speaker delivers a decent sound stage. It really shines in the bass department. It's perfect for genres like EDM, hip-hop or anything that benefits from a strong bass foundation. The mid-range frequencies are generally well represented, so you enjoy clear vocals and instruments. The boAt 352 Pro delivers impressive sound at most volumes. However, I did notice a shift in the sound quality as I cranked it up to max volume. At max volume, I felt the highs got a bit well spiky, like trying to enjoy a concert right next to the speaker, a bit too intense. There was also a hint of mudiness creeping in when I pushed it way too loud. Overall, the boAt 352 Pro delivers a powerful and enjoyable audio experience, particularly for bass lovers. The Bluetooth 5.3 offers a reliable and stable connection for uninterrupted music streaming from phone to speaker. You can also plug an aux cable into the speaker or use a micro SD card for music playback. The speaker also has a built-in microphone for calls, but you will have to sit very close to the speaker for being audible on the call. From a distance of more than 1 meter, it picks very low voice, so the microphone in this speaker is not good for calls. boAt promises up to 12 hours of battery backup, and I'm getting more than 9 hours during testing. That's good enough, and you can also charge it using a power bank. The boAt 352 Pro is a good one for people looking for a feature-rich portable Bluetooth speaker. It is perfect for travelers who want to enjoy high-quality audio on the go. Overall, the boAt 352 Pro offers powerful sound, durability, multiple input options and a good battery at an affordable price. If you are looking for a good Bluetooth speaker in the price range of Rs 2000, the boAt 352 Pro is definitely worth considering. That's it for this video. If you still have any question, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.